Hello, this is Industrial Surplus, and we are pleased to present this AMADA CNC horizontal bandsaw. It's a model HFA500CNC with a cutting capacity of 20 inches by 20 inches. Workload capacity in terms of weight is 8,800 pounds. Has a blade size of 262.6 inches by 2.64 inches wide, and blade thickness is 63 thousandths. Blade speed through an inverter is variable, of course, 49 to 394 feet per minute. Maximum feed length per individual stroke is 15 3/4 of an inch. And overall dimensions are 115 inches by 88 inches. Machine weighs about 8,300 to 8,400 pounds. It's equipped with the AMADA CNC Controls, front and rear Vises, roller table for the feed, and a work light off here on the side. So we're going to go ahead and start the machine and show you how it operates. This is going back to zero position, so to speak. Origin, yeah. So this happens at the first startup, and you press origin. Everything kind of goes back to where it needs to be. Okay, now we're in the program mode. We have a program set up here that we will make a couple of cuts on this part here, and we've already done several, and does a fine job.
Sure does.
Now you're bringing in both vices to clamp the part. Is this part of the original setup, or?
You have to do this to start cutting. Bring the vices in. That vice is locked. That's important. We've already programmed the size of the material in, so.
And what is the length of feed are we doing on this material?
Half inch. We'll do a crop cut right here.
While that's cutting, I'll show you the screen here. Easy operation. It's equipped with a motorized chip conveyor, coolant system, back side of the machine. Okay, finished cut. All right. Was in a what, like a single mode?
Yeah.
Single cycle mode.
I didn't put it in automatic before.
Okay, now we're in auto mode. All right. That's good. We'll just keep walking around. Here's the electrical compartment. Hardwired our connection into it. Cylinders for the Vises. Some of the things that we did to the machine really weren't much. We did clean and paint it. We did rebuild the seals on the hydraulic pump. So that's all taken care of. No leaks, no drips. Everything's in good order. We I don't know. That was about it, really. Of course, this has multiple index. I think the longest feed you can make is probably what, a 12 foot?
I guess it would be as long as the bars that are going into it.
20 foot?
Something like that, or 40, whatever, however long you're getting the material from. Good thing.
We have it set for 2 cuts.
No, somehow it must be a material sensor. Material possibly.
What's that?
It finished a lot. We must have just restarted it and made a bunch of cuts.
The bar too short to sense that.
Nah, see here when you look at the quantity cut.
Yeah.
We only said 10 there. We
Right.
must have cut them.
Oh,
beforehand.
we've already cut our 10. Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
So somehow I need to reset this.
Okay. Well, that's the machine, and we do know it's in great working condition. Try and reset the feed length or the amount of cuts.
Huh.
Yeah. we're not, you know, the most versed at the controls.
Yeah, I don't know how to reset this.
So, all right, we'll leave it right there then. It did cut all these pieces here. And if you have any questions, like to see this machine under power for yourself, we'll be happy to show it to you and have you see what it does. It's a beautiful machine. Thank you very much. All right, now that we figured out how to index or change the index, we're down to a minimum amount of material left to cut, so we may not even make another cycle, but we'll see what happens. Real nice, quiet, smooth operating saw. Real workhorse there. Okay, I want to thank you again, and hope to hear from you soon.